So this is our movement for the day on our Euro GBP. Now, take a look at this movement right here. At first, we were trending to the upside right here. GBP, Euro GBP was literally trending to the upside. Right now, market is now trending to the downside. It is now dropping, right? So you can see that market is now dropping. So this is to tell you that if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So now, the guys, this is the trend the market was giving give us that in market did give us, which is an uptrend movement. Now, this is it right here. The high and the higher low. This is also the higher high. And here is the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now, market was able to give us a new higher high, and now market eventually dropped, which formed give us a coach, right? And you all know what a coach is. It indicates a reversal movement. Now, market did give us a pullback right here, and now we are expecting market to continue to drop further till it is able to form a new lower low. So now, guys, a bearish move for the day is what we will be expecting on Euro GBP. So we should expect Euro GBP to somehow close bearish for us. So now, if you are not yet in the sell on your Euro GBP, it will be best you start looking for your sell setup probably in your London section, because London section is actually the best time to actually trade Euro GBP. So once the London section opens, you can start looking for the sell setup that will eventually give us for the day. So more updates on this will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates.